Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2013 Victory Hardball that I'm going to show you. This is a sweet ride, let me tell you. It's got the 106 cubic inch air and oil cooled V-twin with a 6-speed transmission, all blacked out, got a nice outlaw look to it. Z-bar 8 hangers, blacked out 40 spoke rims with a nice red trim stripe on the paint and on the rims. This bike runs excellent and it really handles well too. Got a nice comfortable seat, rider floorboards, engine guard up front. It's a pretty simple, pretty basic machine. Really feels nice. Electronic cruise control. Bike's got, let's see if I can find the select switch there. It's got 5,914 miles. Pops right off. I guess I need to pull in the clutch to crank it. Well, maybe I got to pull the kickstand up. No, actually, just flip the kill switch, my bad. Pops right off. Real good throttle response, no engine noise, none of that business. Nice flat black color. It's got a few little signs of wear on it. Not too bad though. See if we can find something to look at. Don't see any rock pecks up here. Looks like some kind of little spot right there. It looks more like a little rub of some kind. That looks like something that'd come off. Yeah, that'll come off right there. Probably some bug residue or something. But I notice here some fading on this bag right in here and a little rub right in here, so I'm thinking maybe that's where a passenger's leg was resting. Looks kind of like that might be what did it. A little chip right here on the edge. Like maybe they backed up and touched something there. It didn't bend it, but it did scar the paint a little bit right there on that edge. Flat black paint is easy to fix. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. It went through our shop and was checked out, serviced and inspected, and it's ready for the road. Got some good finance options and extended warranty options on this bike. You can see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be very easy to get this really cool 2013 Victory Hardball delivered right into your driveway. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.